Manual cut. Manual cut can be used for stripping plate or just cutting straight lines or chopping up scrap. Operation is quite simple. We've got the setup button down here, takes us to the plasma setup screen. If you've been cutting whatever material you've been cutting previously, it'll remember that information, so you don't necessarily have to go into this. So to make it work, we position the torch in the place you want to be to start your cut using the jog buttons on the right hand side. When you're in the right location, press cut and then the direction you want to travel in, and the machine will come down, touch the plate, lift up and fire the plasma, and then start traveling at cut speed in the direction you want to go in. Once you've got to the point where you want to stop, you just press the stop button. If the cut comes off the edge of the plate, then it will stop automatically. This is not the best way to do it because it can cause nozzle wear. So it's best, if you can, to stop before you come off the edge of the plate. There are some extra buttons on here. We can override the speed if we want, or we can switch processes if we're gas cutting. So that's basic manual cutting. We can also change direction mid-cut. So if we start again, find a plate, set thing go in the right direction. So as we're travelling along, we can change direction. So if you are cutting up scrap, you can drive the machine round obstacles, as it were. Stop.